Welcome. If you want to start receiving SMS notifications for Facebook comments, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable SMS notifications for Facebook comments on your PC. This is a great way to stay updated on comments without having to check Facebook constantly. Let's walk through it. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, we're ready to get started. Next, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, click on your name to go directly to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, it's time to access your account settings. Click on the small downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up, and you should select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Now, you'll be on the Settings page. On the left side, you'll see a menu with different options. Scroll down until you see Notifications and click on it. This section lets you manage all your notification preferences. In the Notifications section, look for the Comments category. This is where you control notifications for when someone comments on your posts or replies to your comments. To enable SMS notifications, simply find the option labeled SMS under the Comments section. All you need to do is click on the SMS option to enable it. Once you do this, Facebook will send you text messages whenever someone comments on your posts or interacts with your comments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SMS notifications for Facebook comments. Now, you'll receive text messages keeping you up to date on all the activity on your posts, making it easier to stay in the loop without opening Facebook. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook notifications. Thanks for watching.